Call a medic! Ah!
This is not the normal level of difficulty that this takes.
Hi kids, welcome to science class.
Fuck. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I've decided it is time to replace the CV axle on my Mazda. I'm just gonna move it over. Give myself a little bit more room here. I'm gonna move it off to the right just a bit. So due to the fact that I am not working in my shop with all the tools that I know where they are and are familiar with, it might take a little bit longer, but my record on this, I timed myself on one of these CV axles. I think it was 13, just shy of 14 minutes to do one of these. So this isn't a race or nothing. I'm gonna be a little bit more, you know, talking through it and stuff for the video here. It's quite easy. All we've got to do, axle nut, tie rod end, and the ball joint on the bottom. This is what we're working with. I can't turn it yet because I still have that tie rod on. Maybe I'll do that and come back for a better look. I lied, I got ahead of myself. I popped the center cap out of this wheel. I'm gonna put it back on, lower the car back on the ground, break that axle nut, and then come back around here and show that tie rod disconnected. Ugh, God damn.
If it starts to hurt, that means you're doing it right. Alright, well, I should probably go harass the boss, not you. I'll let you go.
Sounds good. I love you. Oh, I got it. There we go. So with that off, we can now pull this tie rod. We're halfway there. So as it turns out, I'm having a hard time getting that tie rod out the end without a hammer. I'm not sure if we have a hammer on site. So I just have to see what I can find. Wow, would you look who showed up?
The guy in the pajama shirt.
The guy in the pajama shirt.
Staying warm.
How's it going?
Oh, good.
We always greet each other so
Yes.
welcomingly.
Absolutely. So you found the axle nut clearly?
Got the axle. He borrowed Nico's because yours was a 30. It
was
says
a
axle nut on it.
Okay.
But it was a 30 mil, and this one I needed is a 32.
Nice.
The thing I don't have is a hammer, so I'm having a hard time getting this tie rod end out.
Well,
I've definitely butchered the nut a little bit already at this point.
well, let me get you a hammer.
Sweet. Oh, the neighbors. But we're back. We have the correct tools, so I'm going to see if I can undestroy this this nut on the tie rod end here and just get it off.
Hi kids, welcome to science class.
This is not the normal level of difficulty that this takes.
Is this like a mode that you selected?
Difficulty?
Yeah, like did you select a difficulty?
Yeah, I put it on
level
hard mode this time. You know, I just thought it was too easy.
He's done these CVs a few times. He's an expert. Are you hungry today, Mazda? How about some CV axles for dinner?
Okay, so we got the tie rod out. We're probably gonna need to go get a new one because I definitely broke it. Got the ball joint, nut, and bolt out. We throw this thing around. We can now see how badly destroyed this CV axle is. We've been rolling around on this for, you know, probably dangerously too long, but that's okay. We don't need to talk about that. The car is doing some self-fabrication up here with these coilovers.
Self-fabricating.
That is trademark Tanner.
It's like, why is this rubbing? I was like, I think it's just self-fabricating, honestly. I didn't realize that this was one of your aftermarket links here. Like, this thing is beefy.
Oh, it's yeah, the white line stuff is actually insane. And we're not even on the stiff setting on the sway bar. Like,
Oh.
this car could be tighter.
Well, I can tell you one thing.
When I start tracking it,
when I
we're gonna
drove
make
this
that.
thing, like, it was a night and day difference. I was blown away, like, how big of a difference. Just upgraded sway bars.
Yeah.
Track, weapon. You said it.
This thing is gonna find its way to a road course.
Oh,
We definitely have some work to do here. It's not gonna make its way with, you know, this. I was really hoping that this would cooperate more. Just takes some wiggling and tapping and curse words. I'm sure there's ways you're supposed to not hit this.
It's all steel.
But
Yeah.
we're just gonna hit it wherever it feels right.
You know what? There's a million ways to skin a cat, though, right?
Yeah. I'm sure there's wrong ways, but
Yeah. And like the internet says, it just comes out. Hallelujah.
we got the holy grail of getting stuff apart.
I've had good luck with PB Blaster and Seafoam's Deep Creep, but
Deep Creep's good stuff.
Deep Creep will make it.
We're not sponsored yet.
Not sponsored yet.
If you see this, toss me a sponsor.
We deal with crusty cars all the time.
Look at this thing.
We need sponsorship. PB Blaster for the win!
Oh, that made it so much easier.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay. So now with that out, we just gotta pull this away, release that.
Uh-huh.
We can just leave that in there for now. With the knuckle out, the CV axle is just gonna fall out of there because it's broken. That can go back there. And now the fun part of just getting this inner unit out.
Watch how fast he can do this.
Well, there we go. Boom. Is this just gonna like fall apart? No, it's still I mean, don't drive like this, kids. Don't be like me. You're better than that.
Freshy.
Ah. What the schmack? There we go. Look at that.
Beauty.
This thing's only been in the car for like 5 months. Or less.
When your old axle nut looks brand new still.
And we're in. And pull this
Swing
out. Slide it in. To the hub. I need to get this down again.
You need to get that ball joint back in there?
Yeah. That CV's got to kind of go in at the same time as, there we go, it's started.
Okay.
So they kind of have to go in tandem. Tandem?
Tandem.
Parallel.
Double. Oh.
If she's lined up, and we can just tap that up. It's not lined up. Oops.
Hang on.
And right there. Find the spot. Can I tap that in?
Ah. I'm like crisscross armed right now.
There we go.
There you go.
She's in. Toss the nut on. Rotate this again.
Ow! My knee.
Do that.
Call a medic! Ah! Oh, Ryan's got her all bolted together here.
I think so, anyway. If I don't, I mean, that sucks.
Bro, those reps?
Yeah.
What are they reps of?
These are genuine. I don't even know what they are. There's the center caps over there.
Rocal.
Focal.
Focal.
Focal? Is that a thing? Focal?
I don't
I thought
know.
that was audio.
Maybe it's its own thing.
Focal.
Ryan, you have genuine wheels.
They're genuinely unique.
If you ain't on this level, well then, you can't
You
talk.
just aren't. I really don't like these wheels.
Well, you know what? They're they go around.
They certainly do, and they're not cracked like the Sparcos were.
Those served
They served
way
their
beyond
purpose.
their purpose than what they should have.
For $150,
Yeah.
that's a win.
So you're just throwing this on to then torque the axle nut?
Yeah.
Nice.
These are lug-centric wheels,
Yes.
which is annoying because trying to fit spline drives in there
Can be annoying.
can be annoying.
Yep.
They don't always like to thread on nicely until you get them all on there, which is kind of subtle irony.
You know what? I can't even talk because I decked my Z off the curb the other day.
Ooh.
But I don't even care because the wheels are already messed up anyway.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice actually. Having a half decent.
I love having wheels I don't care about because if
Yeah.
I curb them, I curb them.
Yeah. Like I literally bounced this thing off the curb on the passenger side, pulling into work, and I was just like, oh, well, they're already screwed, so whatever.
Sure, it's straight, right?
Yeah, I gotta make sure it's straight.
Yeah.
You said
You
it
want
was
that
full
upside
cal.
down.
You said it was full cal. Why?
It's the focal point of your car.
Yeah.
All right, let's go break it. I've actually been thinking though, what if a guy got U-joint CV axles
That.
for the track?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
I don't know. That's a really good question. I know it's a thing that I've seen on like some solid front axle vehicles. You just have U-joints. I don't know.
I wonder if it'd be worth looking into. I'm gonna do some research into it, but if anybody has any experience,
You know what's just as good
toss
as-
it in the comments.
Exactly. I was just gonna say, just as good of a part of research.
Yeah.
If you're watching this video and you have an answer, Ryan's looking for strong axles.
Drop it down below,
Drop it in the comments.
and maybe we'll end up with some U-joint CVs in this car before it starts hitting the track.
Yeah. Be awesome.
Sweet. Well, let's get this tidied up. I hear we've got a ST coming by later for spark plugs and tires.
That's
so
correct.
Maybe toss some footage of that in there and
Absolutely.
call it a day.
You betcha. I can do that now.
I left my SD card at home. I gotta run back to the shop. I'll tune in a minute. I am not in good shape. Pumpkins!
Two pumpkins and look in the dog bed. Oh no!
That's not a dog bed. Oh no.
3 pumpkins.
Look at baby pumpkin.
That's for baby
It's
kids.
so little. Whoa, look at these winter wheels.
Oh, they're directional too.
So nice.
Very nice.
Pre-curbed.
They came like
I'm just gonna bring them all to the front. Figure out
Oh. Those are definitely steel. Oh no, I'm dirty.
Crikey. Oh, no.
Crikey.
Freaking
knockoff Audi.
Ah!
You live though. You want to drive your fun car year round. Or if you're a big dog, run nice.
Oh, it's off here.
Pressed.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
wow.
that's my car.
We talked about this once already. All right, just good. Lower the jack.
Yeah, that one needs to be recovered again. That needs to be recovered.
Get your pooping as we're. No, stop.
I'm missing 2
You're
lug nuts
terrible.
right now.
No, you're not.
Yeah, well, you are. You are.
No, I don't need them. Yeah. Ryan!
Okay, Dev. Oh no.
First socket on the foot.
Here, catch. There's a 3
Ryan!
Here, catch.
That was so scary.
Catch this with your foot. Go in a full circle.
Circle?
Da. Like
Just for
NASCAR. What are you thinking, Ryan?
I'm gonna check these tire pressures here.
We get a little squash.
This isn't working. Here, you try it.
Tire attachment.
I don't know, we got it.
I don't think this is proper. Where's the little sticky outie?
Well, it comes out of there.
No, there's
gotta-
no, there's nothing in there.
You just put it on there.
No, I think it goes on there.
Damn it, she passed the test.
There's. He tried telling me this is a tire pressure gauge.
She could have fell for it. I mean, that was a good joke. Like there was a good chance.
I win. I'll pass this test. I'm so confused how this works.
Just push it in.
And then just let go of the collar.
Push it in hard. You have to push it in until it stops.
Till it stops?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the way.
Use your
Okay.
freaking. Yeah, and then release the collar, and then you'll know when you got it in.
What happens if it pops?
I'll show you. It's fine.
No, I don't want to be around for that.
Okay, quick update. We got the car down on the ground. Intake thingy off. And the coil packs are coming out. So we're just looking for a spark plug,
Yep.
a gapper. This should do the trick.
And for the greater good of science, we're gonna see what kind of whoosh noises it makes.
And wait for me. Well, it was a good day.
It was a good day. Sky is the limit. Take things wherever you want to go.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to be looking or pointing things anymore. What's
I hope you had fun in today's video. But where's your GoPro?
This really has
In the comments.
just kind of been.
Start hounding Nico.
No.
Yeah, seriously.
Yes.
No.
You need.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why is yours so much more zoomed in? Yours is like
it's a
full
setting.
frame.
It's a
Nico
setting.
sucks.
Setting. You can have like the full frame shot.
Oh, I
Or
see.
the close-up shot. So you always know what you're. Yeah.
Yeah. Get a GoPro.
Get a GoPro.
No.
Yeah, that's the lesson today. Get a GoPro and start filming what you love doing.
Seriously, just.
We did winter tire switch and spark plugs today.
And we had a great time doing it. And we're just thankful that all of you are here taking it in,
Yes.
enjoying it with us. Because it's just what we do.
Wait, are we both about to die? Our GoPros?
Yeah, I'm on like 19% battery
I
here.
have 5%.
Ah.
Okay, sky's the limit. Love you guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video.
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in. Thank you
Come
for
back
tuning
for the
in.
next time.
Yes.
The next one.
Nico, where were
Come
you?
back next time again. We appreciate you all.
Yes.
This has been a Dave in the Life.
A Dave in the life. Absolutely.